Let's make Budae Jjigae. First, you're going to cut all of your ingredients, mince your garlic, chop your scallions, slice your green gochu chili peppers, enoki mushrooms, kielbasa sausage. Then you're going to slice your pork belly into bite-sized pieces, cut your spam, and then again into thirds for bite-sized pieces for those as well. Then to make your stock, add 6 cups of water, 2 cups of chicken broth, shiitake mushrooms, kelp, and dried anchovies. Boil for 20 minutes and take out your ingredients and place it on the side. Slice your shiitake mushrooms and set that on the side for later as well. To spice and season stock, add gochujang, gochugaru, and then stir. Then you're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste along with soy sauce. Then add in your minced garlic. I like to add a lot to mine. Put your slices of pork belly and boil for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium-high heat. In a large, shallow pot, assemble the rest of your ingredients for the stew with ramen being at the center. Then you're going to add your boiled pork and a few pieces of green gochu pepper slices. Pour the cooked spicy broth into the pot. You can use the remaining broth to use later. Then close the lid and boil for about 5 minutes on high heat. While the broth with the ingredients are boiling, start to loosen your ramen and add some chopped scallions. You can also mix in all of your ingredients together as well if you like. And this Budae Jjigae is now ready to be eaten. It can be consumed by itself or with a side of rice. Alright, 먹자, let's eat!